All right, we're going to start our math with counting. So let's count to 100 by ones, tens, fives, and twos. Make sure you're counting with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, whoops, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All right, good job. And continue with practicing our addition. We're going to practice addition. You're going to have some addition on your test tomorrow. So let me get my dry erase board. We're going to practice addition. Yesterday we practiced subtraction. We were taking away. Today we're adding. I'm just going to draw circles for things. So if I had, whoops, I wrote the wrong thing on here. Oh my goodness. I had grabbed the wrong marker. I was writing not with a dry erase marker. I had 2 circles plus, so let me write all my 2. I have 2 circles plus 3 circles equals how many? So I have 2 plus 3. Let's count how many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Sure, I had my numbers written the right direction. It's hard looking at them from upside down. Okay. Now they want you to do backwards. Oh, they went. I'm going from my teacher book what it says to practice with you. All right. So now we have 5 circles. Think which direction to write the 5. All right. So I have 5 circles here. Now I'm going to take away 3 of them. So we're going to put. Remember, you start from the end. Make sure you can see this. Start from the end here. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left without X's? 2. So it's kind of back. You have 5, take away 3 equals 2. But down here I had, let me just write this up for you. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So it's like the same numbers, but just in different order. You see that? If you read it backwards, kind of, 2 plus 3 would equal 5. It's kind of backwards. See that? Let's do it with 6 and 4. I'm sorry, that's like 2 and 4. 4 and 2. So I have 4 circles. 4 circles. I think how to make my 4. And I'm going to add 2 more. And that equals, just left enough room there to make the 6. That's a little silly looking 6 like squeezed in there, huh? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to start off with this 6 together as a group. So I'm starting with 6. 6 looks like it's fallen over. And I'm taking away 2 of them. Remember, you take them off the end over here near the equal sign. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did 4 plus 2 equals 6. It's backwards now. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So it's kind of opposites. Hope you're kind of understanding it. All right. Let's get to our worksheet for the day. Tomorrow, you won't have any subtraction on your test. It's just addition. You're going to be adding pennies. So you should be fine. Can't believe I took that red marker and wrote on here. I'm paying attention. I just reached and grabbed a marker. Wasn't looking. All right. You should have this paper. Or write your name on it. We're going to be doing some drawing. All right. They want you, I'll give you a minute to write your name. It says, put an X on the shape that is not used to make the object. So this kind of looks to me like a little truck or something. They use those shapes. So let's look and see. Let me get my red crayon. Hopefully it will show up. I don't know if I want to write with my marker on here because it'll bleed through the other side. So let's take a look. We have a triangle. We use the triangle. What's next over here? A rectangle, so we use that. What about down here? We got circles. So what did we not use? The square. So you're going to put an X on the square. Just like that. My X, put your X on the square. All right, so let's look at the next one. I guess I should have went from them. I'll go in the wrong direction. I don't see any circles. That's what I was looking for. Circle? Nope. Just double check. Square? Yes. Rectangle? Yes, that's the whole shape of it plus the door. And triangle? Yes. So the thing we did not see was the circle. So put an X on the circle. Alrighty, now down here, start over here. It says use these shapes to draw a house. So if I was using a square and a triangle, how would I make a house? So first I'm going to make my square. I have to turn this around to look at it. I can't. So I'm going to make my square. So draw me a square. And then to make it look like a house, I'm going to draw a triangle on top of the square. Okay. Draw your triangle on top of the square to make a house. That's what they want you to do. Okay. Next, it says use these shapes to draw a clown face. Oh, I would think it would make an ice cream cone. To me, it looks like it may want a clown face. So what I would first do is make my circle. Make your circle. Get down low enough because you're going to draw the top of the hat on top of his head. The tall triangle on top. And it says to make a clown face, so you got to give him eyes and a mouth is what it shows on my teacher book. But if you want to give him a nose too, you can. I'm giving him a little nose. Make him a smiley face. So you got your triangle on top of your circle to make a clown face. All right, let's see what it says over here. It says use these shapes to draw a wagon. So let's first draw our rectangle. So draw me a rectangle. Okay, you should have, tilt this a little bit here. Have your rectangle, and what does a wagon need? 2 wheels. So you're going to make your circles down at the bottom. Give them some wheels. Okay, one wheel's a little smaller than the other. Wheels don't match too good, that's okay. Starting crayon, I have trouble. My crayon's not pointy like a pencil, but if I use a pencil, you won't be able to see it, and I don't want to use a marker because it'll go through the paper and you won't see good. Now over here, it says use any shapes you want to draw your church. Well, everybody's churches are a little different. I'll draw you what they have in the book. They used a big rectangle. Let me show you what they did. So they made a big rectangle like that. And on top of it, they put a big triangle. And in the middle here, they're going to give it another rectangle to make a door. And squares for some windows. This is what it shows in my teacher book. Tried to make us look, this one looks actually a little more like a rectangle, but you can use squares. Some churches have big, tall. My church has big, tall windows. It doesn't have little windows. Some churches have big, tall windows. Some churches have little windows. All churches are different. But the door it actually drew was like a double door actually too. I don't think I can make, I'm not going to mess. Anyways, you have a door and some windows in your, so draw your church however your church looks, okay? There's no right or wrong answer for that one. Everybody's church is different. All right, let's flip this over. Let's look at the back side here. And we have all our shapes again, our three-dimensional shapes. It says circle the shape that reminds you of the sun. So which one of these shapes is like the sun? I'm going to use my marker because I can write on the back here with a marker. The sphere. Do you remember this is called a sphere? And what is this one? A cylinder, cube, and cone. All right, the next one says circle two shapes. You're looking at your ice cream cone here. They want you to circle which two shapes. And I told you that yesterday, huh? Which two shapes would make an ice cream cone? Go ahead and circle which two you think. Let's see. Better not get that wrong because we talked about it yesterday. Yeah, your sphere, and your cone. You have a cylinder and cube. All right, down here it says time to review. It says draw a rope that is longer. So I see your rope here from this dot. Let's see if I can do this with you watching. You're just going to draw it a little longer. Draw a rope that is longer. Down here, this is a tree branch. It says draw a tree branch that is shorter. So you want to make yours short. So you just draw a line and make it kind of like, one because it's shorter. Tree branch that is shorter. Okay. I think on my teacher book, they had an extra one like that there. Tree branch that is shorter. All right, tomorrow's your test. It's actually will be your last test, your last pages from your book. I sent you worksheets that we're going to do from a different book for the rest of the year for math, but tomorrow we will have officially finished our math book. But the other math book's a kindergarten math book too, that just some extra things that I want us to work on. So that's why I sent you those worksheets. Alrighty, so get your Bible. I'm going to get my song ready, Zacchaeus again. I'll play Zacchaeus again for you. So we'll do Bible to finish our day next.